Assalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh. I'm Imam Shpendim Nadzaku with IANT, and I have a short message that I hope will better help us to maximize on the last 10 days of Ramadan, which are just around the corner for us. We know that the last 10 days and nights of Ramadan are extra special, and what makes them extra special is one night in particular, and that is Laylatul Qadr, the night of decree, the night of power. And Allah Rabbul Alameen tells us about this night and why it's so special. He tells us Jalla wa ala, Laylatul Qadri khayrun min alfi shahr, that the night of decree is better than 1,000 months. So when we look at this beautiful gift from Allah Rabbul Alameen, we're talking about one night wherein whatever we do of goodness, that it actually counts for more than 83 years as far as the blessings are concerned. So when we're focusing on these last 10 blessed nights, and we want to especially do the best that we can to ensure that we've invested in the night of decree, and since we're not 100% sure, although we're told that it's in the odd nights, we want to make sure that we're paying attention to all of the nights because it's best to be safe. We want to figure out how we can maximize on the reward. Now we know that the Prophet ﷺ told us with regards to reading the Quran, he said that for every letter of what you read, you get 10 rewards. And he said sallallahu alaihi wasallam, لا أقول ألف لام ميم حرف لكن ألف حرف ولام حرف وميم حرف. That by harf, he doesn't mean words or even sentences, but he literally means letters. And that's why he said alif lam mim. It's not all of that as one, but rather each individual letter. So imagine, for each letter that you're reciting, you're getting 10 good deeds. When you're simply saying Bismillahir Rahmanir Rahim, and there's 19 letters there, you have 190 blessings. During the night of decree, that blessing is now multiplied in reward of 83 plus years. So what should we be focusing on? We especially want to focus on being able to read the Quran, and we mean reading it in the Arabic, of course, for those blessings, as well as reading it for understanding. Now this is one of the blessings of IQA, the Quran Academy that we have, where its main focus, in addition to everything else, is to have fluency with the Quran, to be able to read it correctly, to be able to read it beautifully, and to even memorize it, as well as then study and understand it, along with whatever else we have of our Islamic studies and other subjects. So just a reminder for myself and all of us, as we are approaching these last 10 days, let's truly invest in the book of Allah Rabbul Alameen, because the return on the investment is tremendous, and we want to do the best that we can on each of these blessed remaining 10 nights and days to do all that we can. And we ask him subhanahu wa ta'ala that he bless us to be from those whom do the best of quality as well as quantity, and that he accept it from us. Allahumma ameen. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.